What if I told you that a guy who couldn't code a single line just 30 days ago just built a game that actually works? No AI magic, no copy-paste, no excuses. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you step by step my first complete Python project. A number guessing game with limited tries, hints, and even a score at the end. You will see the full code, my beginner's mistakes, how I fixed them, and why this tiny win feels massive when you're starting from zero. If you're a beginner like me, watching someone fail forward and actually ship something, this video is for you. Alright, let's do this. Last few weeks have been all about grinding the basics. If, else for decisions, while and for loops to keep things repeating, functions to stop copying the same code. Even some HTML side practice with list, forms and tables. More on that soon. I have been posting some of my off-day wins and drawbacks on X. Today, we put it all together. No more tiny snippets. This is a full playable program. Here's what we are building. Number guessing game. Computer picks a random number from 1 to, let me say, 50 or 100. You guess, it tells you too high or too low. Limited to 5 or 7 tries. While loop magic functions for clean code. This project forces me to use everything I have learned in Python so far. It's fun to show to my friends that I'm now a programmer. It is not complex. Let's code it live.
Alright, this is VS Code. Today we are coding iris number guessing game. In this game, we'll have a secret number. The players will be given a number of chances to guess the secret number. So we'll start with import random function. We'll call the function play underscore game. Secret underscore number equals random dot rand int and from 1 to, let's say, 50. That should be good with us. So this secret number, the secret number that we want the players to guess, is going to be generated by Python. So this random.randint will be the code that will generate the secret number. And then, so attempts for now is 0 because they've not played yet. And then maximum attempts is equal to, let's give each player 5 maximum attempts. So now we'll welcome the player. Welcome to Iris Tech number guessing game. The instruction prints this game is about guessing a number between, we've already set the number here from this the secret number, the range of the number. So between 1 and 50. Then you have 5 tries. You have 5 tries, but no, we cannot just put 5 tries here, because we might want to increase the tries, reduce the tries, and even increase or decrease the range of the random number. So yeah, we are going to put, instead of putting 5 tries, we are going to put the maximum tries, so that if the maximum amount of tries is changed, it will automatically change in the instruction. So we have to say maximum attempts. Maximum attempts. But now we have a variable inside this place, so we'll use this f string. We're going to use f string. This is the engine of the game. Now we have to use a loop or while loop. While attempt is less than maximum underscore attempts. While attempt is less than maximum attempt, we say guess equals to int input enter your guess number. Attempts plus equal to 1. So in this place, at this point now, why attempt is less than maximum attempt, meaning say for as long as the number of attempts will be less than the maximum attempt, then the program will run. So guess, if the player guesses a number, the attempt will be counted as 1. Anytime he guesses a number, attempt will count as +1. So if he has attempted like 2 times before and he guessed a number again, attempt will add +1. So to be increasing until it will get to maximum attempt, and then the game will stop. So that is the purpose of this while loop and the attempt and the count. Let's use our if statement. If guess equals to secret underscore number, print you got it right. As long as the player got the number right, then the game will end. So with that, we'll go out of the loop by using return. What if the player didn't get the number right? So we'll have other else or elif. So we'll say elif guess less than secret number. We'll have to say is too low. Print too low, else too high, because you can only get the number right. If you didn't get it right, it can only be less than or greater than. So else is going to be print too high. So after this, we are exiting the if statement, but still inside the while loop. If the player choose, apart from getting the guess right, which will automatically just end the game. If the guess is too high or too low, we'll go out of the if statement to print this. So print, if the player continues to guess and if the player guesses wrong, then we're going to inform the player how many number of tries the player has left. So we'll print the instruction, print you have, let's say, dash tries left. From here, we wouldn't know how many tries left, but since Python is counting attempts for every guess the player has made, we are going to let Python to place the number of tries that is left, and number of tries left will be maximum attempt minus attempt. So we are going to put that here as the equation. So we say maximum, let me just copy it from here, maximum attempt minus attempts. So you have maximum attempt minus attempt left. That will give you the number of tries left. But since we have a variable here, so we'll use the f string. We're going to use f string here. So now we are still inside the while loop, but we have exited the if statement. Exiting the while loop after the player has exhausted his number of attempts. We are going to print this, telling the player that the game is over. So let's just use f string from the right from the start. Game over. We'll have to show the secret number. We have to show the secret number. So say print, let's use f string from right from the start. Print secret number. We'll say the secret number is this. By now, so let's test our game. So how do we test the game? We just created a function which is play game. So we'll have to call the function. So let's call the function and start playing our game. Now let's run it. This is real debugging. Our attempt here, we have there's no T, so Python could not recognize it from line 11. Then line 31, let's see, play game, play underscore game. So let's see anywhere that has attempts. Okay, let's run it again. Now we have debugged our game. So let me guess 15. Enter. Too low, and here we have error. Line 31 in module play game. Line 31, line 23. Let's see what's wrong with line 31 and line 23. Our attempt here doesn't have T as well. So let's run it again. Let's start all over again. Okay, welcome to RS guessing game. What was our number? 15 again. Too high. You have 4 tries left. So let me get another number. If 15 is too high, that means the number is less than 15. Let me say 5. Enter. You too low. You have 3 tries left. So between 15 and 3. Let me try another number. 9. Enter. Too high. 2 tries left. So if 9 is too high and 3 is too low, so the number is between 9 and 3. So let me try 7. Enter. You got it right. The answer is 7. I got it right. So the answer is 7. Now you see our number guessing game, or Iris Tech number guessing game, is working. So this is the coding I've been able to do learning Python. Peace out. Victory.
That is the code so far for today's video. Made use of almost all I've learned so far. Function make code reusable and readable. Loops plus conditionals equal real logic. Small project build confidence way faster than theory alone. If I can do this in 30 days from zero, you can do much more better. I will place the full code in the description. Copy, tweak and make it yours. See you in our next video. Peace.